Hello, today I want to show you how to make a stopwatch using a vanilla JavaScript. This is my index.html page and I use one div tag. This is my div container. Inside div container I used h1 tag to give a title to my project. Stopwatch, this is the title to my project. Okay, I used one p tag. Inside p tag I used the spans. I used three spans and given the IDs to different spans, and I use the three buttons: start, stop and reset. These buttons are used in my project to start a timer and stop and reset the timer. Okay, this is all about my index.html, and let's move to our styling, that is the css. In body I set margin padding all to 0 and set background color, and I set overflow to hidden. There is nothing major in the styling part. I use some styling to buttons. There's no major part in the styling. Let's move to our core, that is JavaScript. In Windows.onload function, I used different variables, and I grabbed them using their ID, which I used in the index.html. These are the IDs: minute, second, and tense. Button start, button stop, and reset. These are the IDs, and I grabbed them using document.getElement by ID. And I used one interval as a variable. I will tell what this interval will do in later. Okay, let's move to our function, that is start timer. What this start timer will do? This will use the if condition. If 10 is tens is less than or equal to 9. If this is tens, okay, and this is tens, this is seconds, and this is minutes. If tens is less than or equal to 9, then it will put 0 here. Okay, it will put 0. Okay, this will do that job. If tens is greater than 9, if tens is greater than 9, then it will print the value. If tens is greater than 99, what it will do? It will increment the second. It will increment the second to 1, and it will set them tens to 0. Okay, that will be done here. If seconds is greater than 9, if seconds is greater than 9, then what it will do? It will print the value. If seconds is greater than 59, for 1 minute there is 59 seconds now. If second is greater than 59, what it will do? It will increment the minutes to 1. It will increment the minutes to 1 and put 0 before it. Okay, that will be done here. And if minutes is greater than 9, if minutes is greater than 9, then it will print the value here. Yeah, then let's move to our button. Yeah, what on clicking the start button, what it will do? Add event listener. I used add event listener here, and in I call the start timer this function here, and I use the 10 second. 10 second, this is the simple mathematics I used here. For 1 second there is 1000 millisecond. So so 10 millisecond is equal to 0.01 second. In While clicking on the button stop, it will call the clear interval, and it will stop the timer. While clicking on the reset button, it will again call the stop interval first. Then it will set the minutes and tenths and seconds to 0, and these lines will print the value to set them to 0. Let's see how the output will how the project will work. Okay, yeah, when I am clicking on the start, will start the timer. If I click on the stop, then it will stop the timer, and if I again click on the start, it will continue from where it was previously stopped. Okay, then if I click on the reset, it will set to 0. Thank you.